Hey guys, in this video we are going to start working on the engine. Reason being is I started doing the welding on the car and it wasn't working out very well. So I've got some new gauges and some more gas and we're going to try again because we never give up, right? So instead, in the meantime, we are going to be working on the engine. So the plan for the engine is to take the gearbox off first, take the injection off, take all the weight off, and then that allows us to bolt the engine to the engine stand over there. And then we are going to take the top cover off, clean all the engine, spray the top cover, clean the engine at the bottom, and I'm not sure if that's going to be silver or black just yet, haven't quite decided. I prefer black, but the problem with black is you can't see there's any leaks. So, not sure about that yet. And then we're going to change all the water pump, the belts, spark plugs, clean everything else, restore everything as much as possible, and make it look as brand new as possible if we can. So, here we go. Okay, so the clutch is out. Flywheel's going to come off in a minute. I've got to take it off because I can't put it on the actual engine mount. I'm going to try and put these bolts in place and then we can start cleaning it. The intake is off as well. The gearbox is off obviously, as you can see. So progress, we're getting progress. Right, let's carry on. and we have managed to make the engine look like this on the first pass. So the first clean's been done. Needs a bit more, as you can see, because there's a few, well, it's very sunny today, so I'm not sure you can see that, but there's a bit of dirt in the corners there, recesses. Not too much, to be fair, but bearing in mind I'm going to paint this, it has to be absolutely spotless, otherwise the paint will just come off. So next step is I'm going to clean it again off camera, and then take the top cover off. I'm going to paint that red. We'll leave silver accents on the badges and the words, the VTEC words, and then, so that's going to be speckled red. The engine is going to be silver, and we are going to paint the engine mounts and auxiliaries black. I think that's the colour scheme I'm going to go with so far. So that's not bad for a first try. It took hours and hours to get to that stage with a little wire brush. So I've used just general degreasers, to be honest. I've put some petrol on it first, then I've used degreasers. I've used some Harpic as well. Fantastic stuff. I'll see you in the next video, guys.